Now today we'll focus on the next anion, and that is carbonate anion. And in this I'm focusing over here the reagents that is required. You can use either dilute HCl or you can use dilute sulfuric acid. Both the acids you can only one at a time you have to use. Either you use dilute sulfuric acid or dilute HCl. You can also use lime water, because lime water is the main reagent that will detect about the carbonate test. We need to have a test tube and a salt that is containing the carbonate. That is again our dummy value. I am not showing you that what salt I am using, but the salt, whatever salt you will use, the anion should be carbonate. Suppose if I am taking over here, I am taking zinc carbonate. So carbonate is the anion part. So we will detect this carbonate in this particular salt. So teacher will not inform you that what salt she has given you. She is just give you the salt, and that salt you have to use and for detection of your carbonate ion. Now let's focus on the experiment, how we'll do the experiment. So this is the test tube which is containing the salt. I am using it, and this particular salt contains carbonate anion. So first of all I'll add the acid to it. Dilute HCl you add or dilute sulfuric acid, it's your choice, whatever you want to add, but you will add it. Now when you add dilute HCl, you can see brisk effervescence of CO2 is being evolved. So this is the primary test of carbonate. You can see how the CO2 gas is been coming out. So this is the brisk effervescence is coming out because of the carbon dioxide. This indicates that the particular salt which you are using contains carbonate anion. Still it is not a confirmatory test. This gas is being, the gas that is being coming out, it should be passed through the lime water by using a passing tube. I am again showing you what is the passing tube. We'll do this experiment again with the help of the passing tube. Now this is the passing tube which we are using it. With this we'll pass the gas, that is CO2, through a different test tube containing the lime water. Now you can see that this is the passing tube and this is the test tube. Now first of all you see the connection, how we'll connect this passing tube to the test tube. So this way you are using it, and this particular test tube contains your salt that was containing carbonate and your acid also. Now you know the gas has been coming out, and you will pass it through the lime water. We have used some another test tube that is containing the lime water. So we'll pass it with this thing. Now initially the gas, most of the gas is being elaborated out, but you will see the gas is being coming out. It will come out and the bubblings will come here, and this particular solution, initially it is transparent, it changes to milky white. Now we are adding the acid once again, dilute HCl. You can see the brisk effervescence is coming out, and we'll connect it with the passing tube that was there, and we'll pass this particular gas to the other test tube that is containing the lime water. You can see how the bubbles are coming out. After some time you will see that it changes color from colorless to milky white. Now you can see the milky white that is coming because of the CO2, the gas was elaborated over here. It passes through the lime water and it changed the lime water from colorless to milky white. So this is the confirmatory test of your carbonate. It takes time. So when you are doing in the lab, please don't be panic. It will take time to change itself from colorless to milky white.